tell if we'll actually get through to Earth, but I need to know about my team.
Let's use this when we're outnumbered.
The heck?
Kitty cat!
Hey, wait! Kids.
No! Come back!
Diana! What are you doing? Are you trying to hurt yourself?
If I break, you can just fix me back up.
That's not the point. You have to be more careful. If something happened to you, I'd be in real trouble.
In real trouble? Why?
I mean, well, you best think on that yourself.
Okay, I will.
Well, we got cats. Where are all the people? A cat was the last thing I was expecting. It's over.
Look at that!
You really can make everything with LUMA-FILAMENT, huh?
They don't have it on Earth?
Nah, testing's been limited to the moon as far as I know. People back home have only heard about stuff like this.
Does that mean there are no Pragmata?
No clue. But I've sure as heck never seen a bot that needs as much watching as you do.
Is that a bad thing?
Nah, you keep things interesting. That's good.
Look! I think that's the comms tower!
What? Where?
There! That big one! Right in the middle!
Whoa.
Wow!
Would you look at that? Looks a bit like New York.
New York? Is that a place on Earth?
Yeah, in America.
So many lights and signs! I can't decide what to look at first!
Hello, this is Edis. Due to an unidentified interference, this area has been secured. Mass printing will resume shortly.
Damn, so that's how it is?
Edis isn't very nice, is it? I think we need to disable the lock codes and the local access beacons to reach the comms tower.
So where to?
I don't know. Try scanning.
What in the...
It almost had us.
Yeah, nice moves, kid. I owe you. What's that?
Look out for its targeting thing.
Guess it's my turn.
Look out!
Nope.
Splitting the hat.
It's over. Stop skittering around.
Here it comes! Look out!
It's okay. We'll get another shot.
Be careful. Shoot now! Ah!
You're going down.
Here it comes! Look out! I got it! Jump, you!
Skittery silly.
Here it comes! Look out! Look out!
Good job, kid. Now it's my turn. Got him.
Jump, you!
I owe you.
Be careful! We did it! That was amazing, Hugh!
It's a mannequin. They're made to look like humans to show off clothes and stuff. They might look the part, but real people got that lifeblood in them.
Right. And no blood means no moving.
No. I mean, humans got a certain warmth to them.
Oh! Over 36 degrees Celsius, right?
No.
There's the beacon! It's so close.
Come on. There's got to be another way. Nope! How you like this? Damn!
Does Earth really look like this?
You've really been left in the dark, huh? Didn't anyone ever teach you this stuff?
Nope. I was left in sleep mode for so long. And when I woke up, the vault was all messed up.
Must have been the quakes. There was no one else?
Nope. Nobody.
All alone, huh? I know the feeling. Look! That big old piece of junk again.
Look out!
Blocking your hack? Getting close to snack time.
Do humans really need to eat more than once a day? Your energy efficiency doesn't seem good.
Sure, that's fair. But sharing a meal is more than just recharging. I was an orphan, so at dinner with my new family, just having someone that'd listen was magical. It was all kid stuff, but they were always there. Talking with someone who just accepts you for you is a kind of nourishment, but for your soul.
You can get nutrients from talking?
Something like that.
Intruders detected. Please remove them from the premises.
Look out for its targeting sensor. Something's aiming at us. Missile spotted. Incoming.
I owe you.
Right at you. Overdrive protocol on standby.
Take that!
Move you. We did it.
Removal plan civilian stance. Deploying reinforcements.
Leave it to me.
Getcha!
Get ready. Look out for its targeting sensor. Something's aiming at us.
Right off.
Right back at ya! Look out!
Guess that's that.
So what's next after work finishes on New York?
Well, I've been thinking maybe something with a bit more history. How about something Japanese? Isn't that where you're from?
What about something in the Kigumi style? Like you'd see with the temples in Nara. They're made entirely from wood, but can supposedly stand over 1,000 years.
Nothing but wood. Huh. Just thinking about it. Wow.
You'd need wooden samples at least 100 years old for something that strong.
Huh. A worthy challenge. But with Lunar Filament, everything is possible. Everything!
Hey! Can I give you something? Q? Thanks for talking to me all the time. Ta-da!
Is this supposed to be when we first boarded the tram?
Uh-huh. I drew it. It's for you.
Look at that. You wrote your name, too. Not half bad, kiddo.
What do you do with this? Should I climb up it? Hey, let me see.
Diana, don't. Okay.
I think I see how it works. I should be able to break this down. I'm gonna try something. 0.00000000000. Do my part. I know I can help.
Glad to hear it. I'm counting on you, kiddo.
Roger that. Blinking the enemy. Overthrow protocol at the ready.
Step off!
Move, you!
Yeah, let's do this! Take that!
Here it comes! Look out!
Stop skittering around!
Jump, you! Splitting the hat!
Step off!
Here it comes! Look out!
Leave the shooting to me.
Incoming!
Good job, kid.
Get ready! Should we take a break?